Okay, we are now going up the steps into the iron doors, straight into this beautiful, this is the first floor apartment. This is the door into vintage doors. Okay, when you come into the apartment, you go to the left, you have a beautiful sitting area, like a living room. Yeah, opens up to a gorgeous bedroom. I'm gonna just go around, and now you can see we're going to go through from one bedroom to another, to like another sitting area, like a living room, TV. Then we go into another bedroom. They're packing, so that makes it. Look at the detail on the top here. Okay. All right. I'm not going to get everybody in the picture. Okay, we're going to lead into the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. And that's going to lead out to another dinette sitting area. No leaks. Beautiful. Dinette sitting area. And you could overlook your personal backyard. Plants and everything like that. Look at that. Beautiful vintage kitchen with new appliances. You go out. Now we're going outdoors to the backyard. You take the steps down into beautiful, beautiful backyard. Just everything stays here. Now we're gonna go right back into the house. So we saw already like 2 bedrooms. That's the bathroom. Bathroom 1. Then we go down the hall, and then it leads into the steps going downstairs into this huge whole other area, a phenomenal area. This leads out to the outdoors. There's another door to go out to the outdoors, and then we go into another bedroom down here with 3 windows. Gorgeous lighting here. Another bathroom straight ahead, but just outside there is just another. They don't use it as a bedroom, but it can be. They use it as a home office. Here's another bedroom, shower, bathroom with a shower, and then here is the laundry area. You could actually exit to the backyard this way. And so let's finish out. And make our way outside into the hall. And this ends the tour.